Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious taco pizza. First, grab a pre-baked pizza crust and your favorite taco seasoning. Brown 1 pound of ground beef, drain any excess fat, and then mix in the seasoning according to package directions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple start ensures a quick and tasty meal for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's build those amazing layers. Start by spreading a generous layer of refried beans over your pizza crust, reaching almost to the edges. Next, evenly distribute the seasoned ground beef mixture over the beans. Finally, sprinkle about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese across the top. This combination creates a fantastic base for our taco pizza. It's time to bake. Place your pizza in the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and melted. Once done, carefully remove it and let it cool for about 5 minutes. This brief cooling period helps the toppings set. Then, add your favorite fresh garnishes like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a dollop of sour cream. Your delicious taco pizza is ready to enjoy. Slice it into 8 equal pieces, just like a traditional pizza. You can also offer extra toppings on the side, such as sliced black olives, pickled jalapenos, or a dash of hot sauce, allowing everyone to customize their slice. Serve it immediately to savor the warm, fresh flavors. Enjoy your homemade taco pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.